Rise and grind, good people. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. All right, in this video we got a 2018 Audi Q3 2.0. We are working on tune-up. Diagnostic. It got a pretty much a misfire, and she took it to Audi and got her whole list of rundown that she needed. And out here in Union City, Jonesboro. So they quoted her damn near $1,500 for that. She declined. And look at what she got at the end of her services. She paid $190. And what they call that? Invoice. Not a receipt, but an invoice. So yeah, clear that up. But I'm diagnosing it, and I figured out she probably don't even need coil packs. So I got my scanner out, man. Told you, I come equipped, know what I'm doing. It's the same type of equipment that Audi using, dealerships using. So I'm gonna go ahead and recommend the spark plugs, and we're gonna start from there. We're gonna cut that $1,500 price damn near in half, and we're gonna replace these spark plugs and get that coolant tank replaced. Let's get it, man. And the air filter. All right, so they got these clips holding these, and you gotta press it back and press back on that. It'll slide out. Some of them are already broken, so, but once you get those off, I'll take a flathead and pry up on them like that and get those up and get these out. Get these spark plugs out. 5/8 socket extension. Once we get those loose, you can use the coil pack and get them out. Alright, that's all of them. So now, reason I'm thinking that these coil packs are good, I tested them. I took one off while the car was running. I took one harness off, and they each, like, I didn't do them all at one time. I did them one by one, and they all reacted with a jerk, a misfire. So if one were bad, then that would tell me that basically that one coil pack is bad. So since that didn't happen, I'm trying to save her some money, and she don't have to replace a coil pack, or they said coils. They trying to get her to replace all of them. I'm trying to keep that from happening. So yeah, this is what they got in it. Educare Iridium. Spark plugs going back in. I want to put some anti-seize on the threads. We got our plugs in. Go ahead and put those coils back in there. And just like that, we back in there. And we're gonna see if this thing still has a misfire or not. No erratic idle. That gauge is right, steady. It ain't bucking, it ain't jumping. Give it a little gas. Perfectly fine. Let it idle down. I think that did the trick right there. No coil packs needed. And all she had to do is just pay this $85 test for the diagnostic, and then the work. That's it. All right, now that we got the spark plugs out the way, we're gonna go ahead and remove this air filter housing. We already got some screws undone. They didn't put them back together. T25. Get all of those out. Pull up on it. Pull that on out. Clean that out. Brand new one. Alright, we good. Got our coolant. You can see Audi 2007 and up. Got that violet color. Coolant reservoir, brand new. Now all of these prices are the same as AutoZone. I got them all from AutoZone. That's the price I'm gonna give you. Is the price that you would get from the store when you go inside the store and purchase yourself. So that's the reason why we replacing this here. This thing is, coolant is just really dirty. Need to be flushed. But that reservoir is dirty. All I got holding it is this hose, connector. Got a torque screw over here. You may want to drain it beforehand. And that thing dirty. You need a coolant flush. T25, both of those. And this thing coming right out. Dirty. Get that brand new. Yes, sir. And just like magic, we have color. That's what it's supposed to look like, man. So you're riding around, you're looking at your coolant reservoir and it look dirty like that. It is dirty. It's rust inside. It's probably coolant caked up. All these mixes of different coolants. It's got to be a certain type in here. So we're good. That should drop low once we get it running. And if so, we'll add some more. All right, on the passenger side, we got to get up under here. And we got to take off this piece here. Got a tab right here. I'm gonna turn that. Turn those two right there. So they like some screws that hold it up. And now, if you look, you see that? This whole piece. This is the cabin air filter housing. You push it to the right, and that thing pop out. Debris is gonna be inside, so pull it out. All right, that thing is dirty, so got our brand new one. All right, that way airflow. All right, we're going back in the same way we came out. Just like that, and then we can put that plate back over it. All right, so we're done with the job, and as you can see, their total was cha-ching, damn near 1,500, and I'm charging. This is the remaining balance, y'all, $775. My total was $875. She already paid the $100 deposit, so saving, man. And she's financing. Let's get it. All right, man. I hope this video helped out for one of y'all. Until next time, pull up, King.